What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be sharing a very powerful strategy that you can use to make money. This is fine. This is quite different from every video you find on YouTube, as I've been using this strategy for a long period of time, and very simple and powerful, stress-free, and you don't need much confirmation, just a single confirmation, and you can easily use this strategy to really grow your account. You can use it to grow your account, and you can take full optimization of it. Very simple. You are not putting you are not putting into consideration a lot of things. As a matter of fact, all you just need for you is just for you to wait for the rules, let the rules set, and then you pull your trigger, and you make. And as far as you are not greedy, definitely you are going to be profitable with the strategy. No loss, 100% no loss, 100% no loss, guys. 100% no loss. All you need to do is just for you to what? All you need to do is just for you to put into consideration what is expected of you, right? So, like I've always said, everything is all about your market structure. Everything is all about your market structure, and all you need to do is just for you to understand your structure very well. Understand your structure very well. In the midst of your structure lies everything. In the midst of your structure lies everything. Right? In the midst of your structure lies everything. In the mix of your structure lies everything. After structure comes every other things that you can think of. Your structure, after structure comes every other thing that you can think of. Right? After structure comes every other thing that you can actually think of. Structure over structure now. So once you know that, let's look for this now. This is your higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low. Now, with this higher low now, you can see that we've actually broken through this structure. We've broken through this structure. We've broken through this structure. Now, the confusion then, and we also still break the structure here. Now, the confusion then is that many of you will actually think, since we have this three breaking market structure now, the market has actually what changed from uptrend to what to downtrend, so you should be having a lower low, right? Of course, you are did right, but the problem there now is that looking at this now, meanwhile, if you are here to subscribe to my YouTube channel, please do well to hit on that subscribe button and turn on the bell notification, the bell notification, right, so that you stay updated each time I'm dropping a new content, right? And do well to join my Telegram channel. Do well to join my Telegram channel too, and also do well to share with your friends, so let them benefit from it. I'm not charging anything for this, and this strategy I'm about to share is very powerful. There are many people charge hundreds of dollars, hundreds if not thousands of dollars, just to share this particular knowledge. Right, but I've decided not to take it down from you. All I'm asking you guys is just for you to like the video, subscribe, and share with friends to let them benefit too from it, right? So looking at it now, they've broken through this structure here, right? You can actually think is what we've changed, but there's one thing I do tell my students. Now, if you look at very well now, we are on 15-minute time frame, right? We're on 15-minute time frame, and on 15-minute time frame now, the structure here now is what we call internal structure. Now, by the time you go down to your higher time frame, don't even go down to your higher time frame. Now, looking at this now, right? Looking at this data that we have from here now to here now, all you need to do is just mark out this high, the highest point the price have gone to, and the lowest point the price have gotten to. In as much as they are not breaking the structure of this higher high, of this lowest part here now, we are not changing it to downtrend. In as much as, and since we are in an uptrend, we expect them to taking out this high here. So once they didn't break this low here now, that means we are not what, we are still in that uptrend. All you see here is just a mere what, all you see here is just a mere what, all you see here is just a mere, all this retracement, lower high, lower low, is just a mere retracement, and that's what we call internal structure or complex pullback. Right, in that way you want to take it, this is, all this is just what, they are what we call internal structure or complex pullback. Right, you can see after we did have this, is what we are now. They took out this what, now they took out this eye here. Right, this is the eye that I was asked you to mark out. They took out this eye here. Now you can see how massively they do. So what we have here is what we call internal structure. Right, internal structure. All you need is just your market structure, your structure over everything, market structure over everything. After you've got your market structure very well, now you cannot think of any other thing. That's when you can think of any other thing. That's when you can think of your what, your POI. And when we talk about your POI, the first thing you put into consideration is your what, is your order block. Aside your order block, we talk about your fair value gap. Right, after your fair value gap, you talk about your imbalance. Right, after your imbalance, you talk about your what, your volume. Right, so these are the things you need to, but first and foremost, all you need to put into consideration is your what, all you need to put into consideration is your market structure. Your market structure over everything. Your market structure over everything. Market structure over everything. Once you can perfect your market structure, every other things will be built on what, on your market structure. So guys, so this is it. You can see we are in a deep uptrend. We are in a deep uptrend. Right, we are in a deep uptrend. You can see, let me just, okay, let me mark it out. This is our high. All right, this is our high. This is our high. Let me go to 30-minute time frame so I will be between myself. Okay, we are here. We are here. Let me go to 15 minutes back. Where are we safe? Where are we? Oh, back search. What have I just did? Proper. Okay, here we are. Here we are. Okay, so now this is our what, this is our high. Right, this is our high, and then we'll have this high again, we'll have this low here. Right, we'll have this low here. Right, we'll have this low here. So there's one thing I do teach in my what, in my mentorship group. There's what we call range. Right, we call it range, or our what, our order flow. Right, so now this is the range that you have. This is the what, the range that you have. Right, this is the range that you have here. So this is the range. Right, so in as much as market is not breaking through this low here, we are not in a downtrend, and if we are in an uptrend, they should be taking out this swing high. Right, they should be taking out this swing high. So all this structure here that was broken here is just what a mere retracement. It's just a mere retracement. It's just what, a mere retracement. Now by the time you see all this is where you have to start having confusion. Right, this is where you start having your confusion, and this is where your time frame combination comes in place. Now by the time I go down to my what, to my higher time, a higher time frame, higher than this 15-minute time frame now, higher than this 15-minute time frame, let's say 30-minute time frame now. Right, let's say 30-minute time frame now, you actually see that all this, you will see that all this now, you actually see that all this is just, it's just a single swing. what we call expansion, right? A single expansion on higher time frame. But on a lower time frame, which is our 15-minute time frame, is the what? Is a full market structure. You understand? It's a full market structure. So once you understand your higher time frame bias, higher time frame order flow, you are good to go. So by the time we go to an higher time frame that is higher than this 15-minute time frame, you will appreciate that. You will see that all this deriving swing is higher low, higher low is actually just ordinary a swing, right? Ordinary as just a single expansion on higher time frame. And this is where your order flow comes in place. If you know your market structure, the first thing you should apply your market structures for is to know your order flow. Once you can be able to apply your market structure and determine your order flow, you are good to go. And so by the time we go to an higher time frame, higher than this 15-minute time frame now, higher than this 15-minute time frame, right? Let's say we'll go down to 1 hour time frame. Let's say we'll go down to 1 hour time frame. This is what I'm actually telling you now. This is what we have. You can see that we did have it as what? As just a single swing high, right? Look at it now. This is what? This is an expansion, right? All this, right? And then we have it like this, and they took out this low here. So by the time you see this on higher time frame, you start having conviction that what the market is no longer a downtrend here. So your market structure over everything. And by the time we go down to 4 hours time frame, because most times we always look at for our order flow on our 4 hours time frame and or our daily time frame, right? This is what we have there. Can you see what we have? So this is all about your market structure over everything. Your market structure over everything, guys. Your market structure over everything. With your market structure, you are good to go. With your market structure, you are good to go. And on our daily time frame now, you can actually see that it's just a single candle on daily time frame. It's just a single candle on daily time frame. Um, it's just a single candle on daily time frame, right? You can see it's just a single candle on daily time frame, right? See, it's just a single candle on daily time frame, right? So guys, it's all about your market. So once you are able to understand your market structure and you are able to determine your order flow, you are good to go. So meanwhile, if you are yet to subscribe to my YouTube channel, click on that subscribe button and turn on the bell notification. Guys, turn on the bell notification. Please do well comment on the comment section if there's anything you want me to talk about or anything I talk about in the video that you need more explanation about. Please do well to comment in the comment section. Do well to comment in the comment section and do well to share with your friends to let them also benefit from this and